Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're breaking down how to use Mastercard Tap to Pay. In a world where everything's moving faster, this contactless payment method is a game changer for quick and secure transactions. If you're new to it or just want a refresher, stick around. We'll cover everything step by step. First things first, what is Mastercard Tap to Pay? It's a simple way to pay using near-field communication, NFC, technology built into your card. Instead of swiping or inserting your card, you just tap it on a compatible reader. Most modern Mastercard debit or credit cards have this feature, so check for the contactless symbol, that little wave-like icon on your card. To get started, make sure the payment terminal at the store has the same contactless symbol. You'll find these at coffee shops, grocery stores, and even vending machines. Once you're ready to pay, here's the easy process. Step 1. Select your payment option on the terminal if required. Step 2. Hold your card within a couple of inches of the reader. No need to remove it from your wallet if it's in a compatible case. Step 3. Wait for the confirmation beep or light, and you're done. It's that straightforward. One of the best parts about Tap to Pay is how fast it is. Transactions often take just seconds. It's also more secure because your card data isn't physically transferred, reducing the risk of fraud. Plus, it's convenient for everyday use, like grabbing a quick lunch or shopping on the go. Keep in mind, there might be limits on tap amounts, usually around $100 per transaction, depending on your bank and location. Always review your statements for security. If you're worried about privacy, remember that NFC payments use encryption to protect your info. There you have it. Mastercard Tap to Pay made simple. Give it a try on your next outing and experience the ease yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.